Hi, I'm Sarah. This is John Vervaeke.
Great to be here.
I'd like to talk to you about a talk that John's going to be giving on April 18th, 25th, and May 2nd. And it's going to be at the Sivananda Yoga Center in Toronto. And that's the Yoga Vedanta Center that I teach at. I received my teacher training from there. And it is something I was drawn to. I was doing yoga for some time and wanted some more meaningful practice and found that the Sivananda style lends itself to a more comprehensive kind of approach where it's multidimensional. It has more of an ecology of practices. So each class has chanting and pranayama, which is the breathing exercises. It has the asanas, the poses. And when it's done in sequence, it becomes like a moving meditation. And that's transformational in so many ways. I find myself more connected to myself and more connected to people, and the world shows up differently when that happens. The world relates to me differently. So I'm excited to share that with you guys, and I find that Sivananda has a really wonderful leader. Saraswati has been there for many decades, and I've known her for about 20 years, and she's a very sincere person who's so competent and informed, and she has wonderful classes on meditation, and she's a really great leader. And Sivananda is a jewel in Toronto.
So I'm looking forward to this. It will be a series of 1.5 hour lectures followed by half-hour Q&A on each one of those dates. The first lecture will be on the cognitive science of mindfulness. The second one on the cognitive science of meaning, what makes a life meaningful. And the third will be on the cognitive science of mystical experience, so three M's. And by getting into the cognitive science of those, we can understand how the Vedantic tradition that is being exemplified at Sivananda conveys to us and helps us cultivate wisdom in a really practicable and um, concrete, yet also very, very deep manner. Uh, so, as Sarah said, that we are volunteering our time. It's $85 to attend the lecture, but neither I nor Sarah will get any money from this. All the proceeds go to helping support Sivananda. It is a nonprofit organization, right? So this is all towards the good. This is all towards trying to provide people a place where they can bring science and spirituality together and they can reflect upon what it might take to make their lives more meaningful, their minds more clearer and connected, and to open themselves up to those kinds of experiences that can make life truly wonderful and awe-inspiring. And so I hope to see you all there. In the notes to this video, a link will be provided. The link will provide you with all the requisite information you need about location and logistics. So thank you very much, everybody. Hope to see you soon.